everyone! I heard that bean water, just beans from a can, whip really well. So I'm gonna try to make a coffee inspired smoothie bowl and put some cold foam on top. So I think it'll be really good, especially if you love getting a lot of good nutrients, but sometimes just the nutrients aren't enough. So let's add a little caffeine to it. Black beans. This is just like the 50-cent can of beans from Walmart. I'm just gonna pop it open. Oh my goodness. This does not seem like it looks very good, but we'll try it. It's like a super dark color. I should get that guy that fell out. Okay, so I heard that the best beans to use are garbanzo beans. These are black beans. I don't have any garbanzo beans. Oh my goodness. Guys, it looks really good. Look at how good that looks. Oh my goodness. Now the taste might be something totally different. I don't know. But let me get my little spatula in here. Oh my goodness. It actually looks really beautiful. I think I might add like some nutmeg to it. I just usually like nutmeg a lot. And I'm trying to mask the flavor as much as possible. Definitely add nutmeg. This is my smoothie that I blended, which I love doing smoothies, and then I just made this cold foam, which I've already tried the cold foam, and I added nutmeg to it. I added brown sugar and nutmeg and a little bit of vanilla, and it is such a good flavor of, oh my goodness, look at this cold foam, guys. It tastes really good. It looks really good. I sprinkled some cinnamon on it and some pecans. So I'm just gonna drink it through the straw first. Oh my goodness, it is so good. I love nutmeg, so the nutmeg makes it a really good flavor. The coffee is really strong, but so good. I don't know, I think I did too much coffee in this part of the smoothie, but the cold foam could not be better. It could not be better with the nutmeg. Oh my goodness. It is so good. So highly recommend. And then you can use the beans for chili or something. I'm not sure. You know what? There's a recipe out there for black bean brownies. I would recommend doing that, and then having some cold foam, making some coffee. This cold foam could not be better, guys, than I think this is better than the Starbucks one. It is, I'm sure. I know it is because I order the cold foam at Starbucks all the time, and this is so good. But I could be a little biased because I love nutmeg, so if you don't add nutmeg, you could add cinnamon. You could just do the vanilla and sugar. Obviously the sugar makes it taste good. It doesn't even taste like beans. It doesn't smell like beans at all. So yeah, highly recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching this little experiment with me. I hope you guys try this because it's really good. Anyways, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, friends.